checkpoint 13.21 what's wrong in the following code. Okay, look at main methods. We have 3 person subject. Then we are comparing with Arrays.sort methods. So according to this number, where there are 3 and 4 and 1, these are integer values, as you can see here, int id. So if we want to compare those 3 objects, you should implement comparable. Okay, sorry, implement comparable interface. Inside the elements, we are comparing person object, so person class. Now let me show you. You may need to implement all abstract method, because interface has only abstract methods and then constants. So if you look at here, we are looking at compareTo methods. We need to implement it. That is actually abstract methods, belongs to comparable interface. So here, as it is simple, we can say, okay, person or if else statement. Okay, this object, which can be person 3 and then 4 and 1 in order. So we're comparing with ID. Okay, then o.id return -1, and let's see if this ID greater than ID, return number 1, else is the same, so we'll say return 0. This way we can compare. Okay, that's the main idea for this particular case. And of course, if you want to see the actual result, and so answer was actually here. Okay, implement the comparable interface. Then let me just have a toString method to quickly demonstrate. Okay, so person and ID. Okay, so if you want to print, okay, for int I equal to 0, okay, we have persons as an object. Okay, one at a time. Then we can print persons, then then we can say toString, so we can see what's inside. So as you can see, we have sorted. It was in terms of ID. Okay, the first object was a 3 and 4 and 1. We are using sort methods. Now objects are sorted according to ID 1, 3, and 4. Okay, that wasn't actually part of the question, but just want to quickly demonstrate. Okay, the question is what's wrong in the following code. We need to implement a comparable interface with the person, okay, as an element. Then here's the very common compareTo method. We usually use a numeric value, -1 if it's smaller. If it's bigger, 1. If it's the same, we say 0. Then we are going to print the person's array. This is an array of person's object. So we can do that. Then first object, which is going to be 1, we use toString method to see what's inside. And then second object happen to be person 3, and then last object is person 4, so we print it. Okay, that's all. Thank you.